Hey, so I drove out from Matsuyama to a place called Oshima Island. It's actually like 1 hour drive from Matsuyama actually. And if you know me, I hate highways, but I took a highway to drove out here. The weather is so-so. It's not perfectly sunny or anything. And I was wishing for the sunny weather because that would be the best for this particular location. And I have never come out here, but look at this turtle. The turtle, somehow they have coins. Maybe like wishing well type of thing. Not sure. The place is called here. Okay, so we are out here. I got off from Oshima Minami interchange, and then we actually took the Shimanami Kaido bridge, and then we are somewhere here up in the mountain. And the place is called Hiro-san Tenbodai, and the name for ki, that's actually kame, that's turtle. That's why probably they have a turtle over here. So the road to get here from the interchange was actually like a zigzag mountain road. It's pretty narrow, so if you have a big car, you probably have to be careful. But I have like a regular size car, and then I didn't really have any problem with it. We have some tourists. I don't know if they're locals or they're from other places, but okay. So it's all concrete. Are you guys ready for the view? Alright, so the whole reason I came out here is that I'm actually trying to find a location for the next promotional video for pink earrings. If you don't know what pink earrings is, like you can probably, oh no, I didn't really like mentioning in any videos, right? I know I remember mentioning it in the live stream last, but yeah, I'll talk about it in like other videos. But like, anyway, I have a little dance group formed, and we are trying to do some location hunting for the next promotional video. And then I saw the picture of this place on Instagram, and I thought it was like perfect for the project, you know. The architecture here is like very complicated. It's like you can see many stairs, and then yeah, wherever we stand you have something in the back, so I'm kind of liking it. Hopefully, like, it's a little bit hard because, like, you know, it's getting like, it's September now, and I want to have like perfect shot of like blue sky and the blue ocean. It's getting a little bit tougher because it's getting towards fall, and you don't feel like it's fall because it's like super hot today as well. But still, like, you know, the skywise maybe a little bit, you can see the fall in the crowd. Like, you know, you don't really see the chunk of clouds that you often see in summer in Japan, but still. So let's go down that stairs. I haven't gone. Ooh. So that's the parking lot actually that I parked there. And then it's really interesting view. You can kind of see like all the stairs and everything. So that's what it is, right? And we're gonna go down the stairs. go down, really down. And come back again. That's the main stairs. Alright, so it was really hot out there. That concludes our trip. So definitely an option for the next promotional video for my dancers. So let's see how it's gonna go, and I will see you next time. Bye. So if you see a hawk or eagle flying around, don't fly a drone. About a second, so the eagle or whatever was like flying over there, okay? So I decided to choose this side, so it's, you know, probably he wouldn't notice. And 10 seconds I start flying out drone, and boom, he was attacking my drone. That was the scariest moment ever. Well, I safely got the drone back, and it was like only one time that I got attacked and it started circling around and stuff. But after a while, like he's just gone now, so probably okay. But yeah, it was the scariest moment. And then like I was worried about the wind, to be honest, more than the bird. But actually, like when you see a bird, don't fly a drone. So yeah, I won't. Not anymore. So alright, so this actually concludes my vlog for today. Alright, so I'll see you next time. Bye.